Hello kids, let's start with our science subject, lesson number 16, natural resources. Now let us begin. Resources are anything that people can use. Meaning of resources: the term resources was taken to mean only the natural factors or things like mountains, minerals, deposits, forest, animal life, soil, water, air, etc. Resources was used to refer to only natural resources. This term was taken to mean all natural phenomena or factors, whether they are useful to man or not. The natural resources of the earth are air, water, soil, mineral, vegetation, forest, and animal wealth. All natural resources are responsible for the buildup of the sustainable economy of a country. Due to overexplosion of human population, natural resources are getting either depleted or degraded qualitatively and quantitatively. It is a form of energy or matter which is essential for functioning organism, population and ecosystem. Natural resources. It is for good health, knowledge. Resource does not refer to a thing or substance, but to a function which a thing or substance may perform to attain an end. Example, iron ore is a resource. Ore resources serve as raw material for iron and steel industry. Types of natural resources you can see over here in the picture: vegetation, animals, soil, minerals, water. These all are what? Natural resources. Now, let us see what is lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid rock that covers the planet. This includes the crust as well as the very uppermost part of the mantle, which is solid rock. All of the rock on earth from the mountains to the seafloor is included in the lithosphere. It is a solid crust or the hard-top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and is covered with soil. It has various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. It provides us land, forest, grasslands and minerals. You can see in the picture. Now, let us see the next topic. That is, what is mineral? Minerals are inorganic. They are not alive and they are not plants or animals. Minerals are found in the earth or naturally occurring substance. They are found in dirt, rocks and water. They are not made by man. Minerals are chemical substances. Example of minerals: coal, petroleum, copper, gold, etc. What is an ore? You can see the picture: gold ore, iron ore, copper ore. Now what is gold ore? A rock with gold in it. Iron ore, a rock with iron in it. A rock with copper in it. A rock that contains enough metal or metal compounds so that it can be mined profitably is what? An ore. How are minerals formed? Minerals are formed from the magma in the earth's crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes when they cool and get transformed into crystal. Minerals are formed when the solid crystals remain behind after the process of evaporation. Still, other minerals such as gypsum and halite, that is rock salt, form as the water they are dissolved in evaporates from shallow lakes. You can see the picture of the rock salt. It is given over here. Now, let us see further. Some living organisms produce inorganic minerals, example conches, shells, etc., form the protection of the body. You can see the picture over here of conches and shell. Inorganic, not formed from living things, the remains of living things. Examples you can see over here, it is given. Even the coal is formed natural in the crust, it is not considered as a mineral. Can you see mineral, crystal? Yes. You can see the non-metal minerals, metal minerals and energy minerals. What are they? And even now I'll be showing you gems and gem-like minerals. Yes, these all are what? Gemstones. Some important minerals like iron ore. Iron occurring in the impure state is called iron ore. Iron ore is used to make a variety of articles from pins to heavy machinery. For example, farming implements, rails of railway tracks, etc. Manganese. Manganese occurs in the form of its carbonate, silicate, and oxide. Compounds of manganese are used in the preparation of medicines and for giving a pink tingle to glass. Manganese is also used in electrical appliance. Let us see further. Yes, it is bauxite. Most important ore of aluminium. Contains 55% of aluminium. Consists mainly of aluminium oxide. Aluminium is a very good conductor of electricity and heat. Its density is low. Mainly used in aeroplanes, transport vehicles, and to make electrical wires. Let us see the next one. Copper. Found in impure state is the vinicity of iron and other minerals. Very good conductor of electricity. Used to make electric wires as well as in radios, telephones, vehicles, and for making kitchen utensils and statues. Let us see further. That is what? Mica. Bad conductor of electricity. Its value depends on the thickness of its layer. Has many uses such as Ayurvedic medicines, dyes, electric machines and equipment, wireless communication equipment, etc. Fuel. Various substances are used in day-to-day life for generating energy. These substances are called fuels. Fuels are found in solid, liquid or gaseous state. What is coal? Coal is a complex mixture of organic chemical substances containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in chemical combination. Origin of coal, organic sedimentary rocks, we are going to see. How coal was formed. Before the dinosaurs, many plants died in swamps. Over millions of years, the plants were buried under water and dirt. Heat and pressure turned the dead plants into coal. Can you see that in the picture? Yes. Coal is found in mines. Peat, lignite, brown coal, bituminous coal, and anthracite are the various types of coal. Coal is in a way a storehouse of carbon. It is burnt to obtain heat energy. Coal is used as fuel. It is used as a fuel in thermal power plants as well as run boilers and railway engines. Coal is also used as a fuel for cooking and for baking bricks in kilns on a large scale. The gaseous fuel produces gas and water gas are obtained from coal. Coal as an energy resource contributes greatly to industrial development. Medicinal plants. Plants and medicinal use for treatment of adulsa, bale, neem, periwinkle, cinnamon, cinchona. These all are what? Medicinal plants. We get these all. We can use amla, tulsi, and we can use them. Wood. We get strong and durable wood as also firewood from trees like teak, mahogany, neem, acacia. Sahable wood is used for making furniture, farming implements, and various other articles as well as in constructional work. Yes, these all things we can use it. Sandalwood and oil of eucalyptus are used for making soap, cosmetics, and incense stick. In addition, we get various fruits, bulbs, and roots, honey, sealing wax, cashew, dyes, etc. from forest. And these all things are used in our day-to-day life. Ocean resources. There are many things which we get from oceans. There are 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Energy can be obtained on a large scale from ocean. Sea waves at high and low tide and ocean currents are being used for generation of power. The variety of natural resources are present in seawater at the bottom of the sea and beneath the seabed are called marine resources. Billions of tons of minerals are to be found dissolved in ocean water. There are very large reserves of tin, chromium, phosphates, copper, zinc, iron, lead, manganese, sulfur, uranium, etc. in the ocean and seabeds. We get many types of gems, conches, shells, and pearls from the sea. Real pearls are even costlier than gold. There are large scale reserves of mineral oil and natural gas at the bottom of sea. We avail of these by drilling oil and gas wells. Mineral resources from oceans. Chromium is used in the production of atomic energy. Magnesium is used in the flash bulb of camera. Potassium, the main ingredient in production of soap, glass, fertilizer. Yes, sodium, used in the production of cloth and paper. Sulfate, used in making artificial silk. Fishes like pomfret, seedfish are also shrimps and prawns. They are sources of proteins and vitamins, therefore mainly used as seafood. Dried shrimp, Bombay duck powder used as poultry feed and is a good manure. Shells used for preparation of medicines, ornaments and decorative articles. Fungi used for the production of antibiotics. Shark and codfish used for producing edible oil rich in vitamins A, D and E. Sea cucumbers used as medicines for treating cancer and tumors.